Welcome to the Pipotoeng channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 2026 BMW X7 design, features, performance, and why it might be the perfect choice for you. The 2026 BMW X7 remains the brand's biggest and most luxury SUV. For people who seek a full-size SUV with beauty and agility, the X7 offers cutting-edge technology, world-class comfort, and exciting performance. To stay competitive in the premium SUV market, the 2026 model gets slight design upgrades, improved electronics, and optimized powertrains. Grand and commanding exterior. The bold, imposing 2026 X7 has even more sophisticated details. A huge lighted kidney grille, stylish split LED headlights, and crisp body lines show off its upmarket flair. Exterior highlights: bright kidney grille with chrome or black surround, slimmer adaptive headlights and LED DRLs, 21 to 23-inch alloy wheels, trim dependent, stylish chrome and aerodynamic body shaping, power tailgate, M Sport or Shadowline appearance packages. Like a luxury cruise liner on wheels, the X7 is elegant despite its size. Interior, luxurious space and technology. Interior of the 2026 X7 contains luxury materials and cutting-edge technology. Family-friendly seating for 7 and optional captain's chairs for the second row make it comfortable. Interior features: a 12.3-inch digital cluster and 14.9-inch infotainment screen are on the curved display. The iDrive 9 system offers voice control and over-the-air upgrades. Multicolored premium leather upholstery. Optional, the executive lounge seat massage and rear entertainment package. Panoramic Sky Lounge LED roof. Gear selection and control knob, crystal interiors. The quiet, well-crafted cabin has smart features for driving and enjoyment. Choose smooth or furious powertrain and performance. The 2026 BMW X7 has strong engines, an 8-speed automatic and xDrive all-wheel drive, 3.0L turbocharged inline-6 mild hybrid, 375 horsepower, xDrive 40i, 4.4L twin-turbo V8 with 48V mild hybrid, 523, 630 horsepower, xDrive 50i, M60i. Alpina XB7, a high-performance variant with over 630 horsepower and 4 seconds 0-60. Drive dynamics: standard air suspension with adaptive damping. Higher grades include rear axle steering and active roll stabilization. Multiple driving modes: Sport, Comfort Plus, excellent highway and urban riding quality. The X7's sophisticated suspension and chassis tuning make it agile despite its size. Safety and driving aid. BMW offers several innovative safety features in the X7. Lane departure, warning, and blind spot detection with active driving assistant. Semi-autonomous traffic and highway assistance. Parking Assistant Professional offers smartphone remote parking and a 360 degrees camera system with 3D vision. Driver and passenger confidence is maximized by these elements. Pricing: USD estimate. Start price: X7 xDrive 40i $84,000, X7 M60i, V8 $110,000. The Alpina XB7 costs over $145,000. One last thought: the 2026 BMW X7 reigns in full-size SUV luxury. Its luxurious cabin, strong engines, and smart electronics complement its remarkable road presence. The X7 excels in every area, from first-class luxury to mountain road power.